Next, let's crochet the trunk of the baby elephant. Make a magic ring. Chain 1 inside the ring. Then, crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. Pull the loop tight and slip stitches into the first stitch. Our first round is completed. Then, make a chain stitch. Start the second round of crocheting. The pattern for this round is 2 single crochet stitches followed by a single crochet increase. Make 2 groups in total. One set is done. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Then, make a chain stitch and start the third round. The 3rd to the 9th rounds are all crocheted using the same method, 8 single crochet stitches, with no increases or decreases. The 3rd round is done. The 4th to 9th rounds are all crocheted in the same way. If you like the trunk to be a little shorter, you can reduce the number of rounds appropriately. You can stop at the 7th or 8th round. After the 9th round is completed, we made a chain stitch. And start the 10th round. We need to make 8 single crochet increases. After completion, slip stitches with the first stitch. Leave a long thread to sew.